What if I told you there are only 7 exercises you truly need? 7 moves that could transform your body and make you look and feel stronger than ever. It sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the truth. Nearly 80% of men waste time in the gym doing exercises that barely move the needle. I didn't believe it at first either, but once you understand how your body responds to movement, it becomes clear. Master these 7 fundamental exercises, and you'll unlock real, lasting results. Miss them, and no matter how long you grind in the gym, your gains will always fall short. Let's dive in. Exercise 1. Barbell Squat. Ever noticed guys with jacked upper bodies but skinny legs? That's what happens when you train for the mirror and ignore your foundation. The barbell squat isn't just a leg day staple, it's the king of all exercises. Why? Because it doesn't just hit your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, it ignites a full-body growth response by stimulating testosterone and growth hormone like no other lift. A study from the European Journal of Sports Science proved that deep squats outshine partial reps in terms of muscle gains. Plus, squats build the kind of real-world strength you'll feel in your daily life, whether you're climbing stairs, lifting boxes, or staying active into your later years. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, barbell resting on your upper traps, not your neck, chest tall, core tight, squat down until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground, drive up through your heels while keeping your spine neutral. Do 3 sets of 5-8 reps, heavy days, or 8-12 reps, lighter days, 2x per week. Want an exercise that builds more total muscle than almost anything else? This is it. The deadlift is a full-body powerhouse that targets your entire backside, glutes, hamstrings, lats, traps. While most guys train for beach muscles, the deadlift gives you dense functional strength you can actually use. Forget outdated warnings. Modern research shows proper deadlifting strengthens the spine, not damages it. It's also one of the best natural ways to boost testosterone, helping you build more muscle across your whole body. Feet hip-width apart, bar over midfoot. Bend hips and knees, grip bar shoulder-width apart, keep chest high, back flat, and pull up, keeping the bar close to your body. Lower with control. Do 3 sets of 3-8 reps once a week. Avoid high reps to maintain good form. Many men train chest and arms religiously, yet still have underdeveloped backs. That's where the barbell row comes in. This essential movement hits the entire back chain, lats, traps, rhomboids, and builds that strong V-taper and upper body thickness. Plus, it builds real pulling strength for life's everyday tasks, from lifting to posture support. Feet shoulder-width apart. Hinge at hips to a 45 degrees angle. Keep back straight. Grip the bar wider than shoulder width. Pull to your lower chest, upper abs, squeeze shoulder blades, then lower with control. Do 3 sets of 6-10 reps, 1-2x weekly. Prioritize form over weight. Exercise 4. Bench press. Between ages 40 and 60, the average man loses nearly a third of his upper body strength. Want to stop that decline? The bench press is your best weapon. It's not just a chest builder, it's a full upper body compound move that recruits the chest, shoulders, and triceps. It builds real pushing power that you'll use in countless ways, whether moving furniture, pushing stalled cars, or roughhousing with the kids. How to do it? Lie flat on a bench, feet planted, grip bar slightly wider than shoulders, lower to mid-chest with control, press back up in an arc, keep your shoulder blades pulled in, do 3 sets of 5-10 reps, 1-3x weekly. Exercise 5. Overhead press. Think bench press builds all the upper body strength you need? Think again. The overhead press is the secret weapon for well-rounded, powerful shoulders. It trains your delts, triceps, and core all in one go, building strength that carries over to posture, balance, and daily movement. Unlike isolation moves, this lift hits all 3 heads of the deltoid and forces your body to stabilize under a load, making it a total upper body builder. How to do it? Stand tall, feet shoulder width, grip the bar at shoulder level, brace your core, and press directly overhead. Lock out your arms, then lower under control. Do 3 sets of 5-6 reps, heavy days, or 8-12 reps, lighter days, 2x per week. Exercise 6. Lunges. Life doesn't happen in a straight line, yet most workouts ignore that. Lunges train you in a way squats can't, by challenging each leg independently. This builds balance, coordination, and injury-resistant strength. Lunges help correct muscle imbalances developed over years of favoring one leg, and offer a surprising level of quad activation, even more than squats, in some cases. How to do it? Stand tall, step forward 2-3 feet, lower both knees to 90 degrees, keeping your front knee behind your toes, push off your front foot to return, Do 3 sets of 8-12 reps per leg, 1-2x weekly. Adjust stride for muscle targeting. Exercise 7, farmer's walk. Strength isn't just about lifting, it's about carrying. That's where the farmer's walk shines. This underrated movement builds grip strength, posture, and full body control. It reinforces the kind of strength you use in real life, holding groceries, moving furniture, or carrying kids without faltering. Better yet, studies show grip strength is a major predictor of long-term health and longevity. How to do it? Grab 2 heavy dumbbells or kettlebells. Stand tall with shoulders back and core tight. Walk for time or distance, maintaining control and posture. Do 3-4 sets of 25-50 yards, 1-2x weekly. Increase load or distance as you improve. You don't need endless exercises or hours in the gym. These 7 movements, done with intention and consistency, are enough to build real strength, size, and functionality. Beginners, do this routine 3x per week with rest days between. Advanced lifters, split them across 4 or 5 sessions per week for even faster progress. This isn't just another workout, it's a system, a foundation, one that builds the kind of body that doesn't just look strong, but performs powerfully, year after year. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, and pass it along to someone who needs it. Catch you in the next one.